Greetings! In this video I'm going to show you how to do a factory reset on an Insignia Smart TV. This is the FireTV edition. I want to show you how to do a reset even if you have the remote or if you don't have the remote and your screen may be black but you know it turns on, or it's cracked and nothing's visible. But you want to do a factory reset because you don't want your personal information on there if you donate it or you send it to the recycle bin. So in order to do that, there's about 3 different methods you could do if you can't see anything on the screen. As of right now, you can see that there's a red light on the very bottom left. That means it's on. If I turn it on, and the screen does work on this one, but if I turn it on, that red light will start blinking. All right, that will start blinking, and then you should see light. Of course, if you've got a cracked screen, you could see light. So you know if that's blinking, that it's actually on, and then you could do your reset. If you look here on the side of the Insignia TV, you're going to see a red light here, and that's right above the USB ports. That also means that it's on. If I unplug it or if I turn it off, the red light will go off. So you know that that it's on. So there's 3 methods you can do. The first method that you can do is unplug it from the wall. And what we're going to do is we're going to wait about a minute. So I'm going to unplug it. I'm going to give that a minute. That'll do like a small recycle. Then you're going to locate the power button, which is usually right down here. That's the power button right there. And it actually says input there. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and hold this. I'm going to hold this for 30 seconds while it's unplugged. And then while I'm holding it down, I'm going to go ahead and plug it in simultaneously while with my other hand still being on the power button. I'm going to hold this down for another minute while it's plugged in. And then I will let go of the power button, and it should turn on. That should do a factory reset. So with the TV on, the only thing that you have to do is hold down the play button, which is right there, and the select button at the same time. And you want to point it, and you want to hold it for 30 seconds as you're pointing it directly to the TV. Then after 30 seconds, you're going to let go. So that's one way to reset it. But if you can't see the screen, there's another way to do it, and you want to do both of these anyway. And the second one is to hold the return button, which is that little arrow here, and then the forward button on the select button right here. And you're going to hold those down, and you're going to do that for 30 seconds, and then that should reset it. If for whatever reason you're scared that you have apps on there, like if you have like Roku apps that you're still logged in and you're not sure that it did log off, Roku, YouTube, which would be Google, your Google account, and then Amazon Prime would be another one that you would want to make sure that you're logged off of. You can go to the website on your tablet or your phone or a computer on each individual one, and then you just go under My Account, and then under Account you should look at the devices, and then you should you'll be able to either unpair your device. Let's say with Amazon Prime, you can unpair your device by just going into your account. First go to Account, and then look for devices. And then same thing with Google and Roku, you can just log out of those accounts if you're super scared about your accounts being on the TV. All right, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe.